Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be solving our next question from SQL 50 LeetCode. Question number 1204, last person to fit in the bus. Okay, so here's the question. We have this table called Q and we have 4 columns of these data types. So person ID contains unique values and the table has information about all people waiting for a bus. The person ID and turn columns will contain all numbers from 1 to n, so it could be up to any number up to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus. Okay, so here's the question. There's a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a limit of 1000 kilogram. Okay, so there may be some people who cannot board. So there's a queue in the order of 1 to n. So let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can only fit up to like 1000 kilograms in that bus. So the question is, write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. Okay, and note that only one person can board the bus at any given time. Okay. The result format is in the following example. Okay, so here is an example input and output. So we have all of these people. So if the person ID, name, weight, and turn, and depending on the turn, they will start getting on the bus. So 1, Alice will get on the bus first, and then 2, Alex will get on the bus. So when Alice gets on the bus, the weight is 250. Then turn number 2 gets on, so the weight would be 600. And then number 3, John Cena gets on the bus, and it'll be 600 plus 400, so that'll be 1000. So that is our limit, so equal to or less than 1000. So John Cena would be the last person to board the bus. Okay, so hope you understand it now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get back to SQL Server Management Studio, where I have already created the table. So I'm just gonna select it here, and then I am just gonna order it by turn. Okay, so in this example, what we are expecting is we want John Cena because that's where the total weight is at or less than 1000 limit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna write a query to select from our Q table. I just have square brackets in Q because that's a keyword. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select the person name, and then let's select the turn and the weight. And now what I want to do is I also want like a running total based on the turn. So what I can do for that is I can do sum weight. So I can do sum over. I'll do a window function. Remember, we have gone over some of our window functions before, so you can check out those videos as well. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do sum weight over, and now what column am I ordering it by? I just want to order it by turn, and this would be running, let's say this will be running weight or something. Okay, so I'm gonna execute it side by side. So here you can see turn 1, the weight is 250, so the running weight is also which is the running sum is also 250. For 2, it'll be 350 plus 250 because Alex weighs 350, so it'll be 600. And then John Cena, which is turn ID number 3, it's 400, so the running total will be 600 plus 400. So here in this column, we are also seeing the running total. So what we need from here is we want to see this person. So just John Cena. So we'll stop here because that's our limit, 1000. So it's right at 1000. So we want it to be equal to or less than this. So we'll ignore all of this. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I am gonna select again from this the query I have, and I'm just gonna use it as a subquery. So I'm just gonna do open close parenthesis, and let's just call it sub. Okay, and here I want to say where running total. So I want to say where running weight is less than or equal to 1000, and from this table I want to select my person name. That's the only column I want to select. And then I'm just going to do from this subquery. So I only want to select a person name from here. So let's run it now. So now I'm seeing the first 3 here because it's stopping here. So what I want to do for that is I just want to select top 1, and I also want to order it by ordered by turn descending, because if I don't do descending, it's gonna grab Alice, because this is the first row from that result set that is less than equal to, where the sum is less than equal to 1000. Okay, so if I do descending, then what it's gonna do is gonna actually ordered by this running weight, and it's gonna select the top one that is less than or equal to this. So that way we'll grab John Cena, otherwise it'll be Alice. Okay, so I'm just gonna do order by turn descending. Now let's execute it. Okay, so we are getting our intended result here. Okay, so this is our solution here. So now I'm gonna come back to our LeetCode and I'm gonna paste my solution here, and this is the same. Okay, we just need one output from here, and it is called person name. Okay, so I have the right alias, so I'm gonna submit it now. Okay, ran successfully. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.